Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to clean, do a monthly, we call it e-cleaning for SD501 machine or JR4 machine. Okay, first step, you need to prepare a few things. A container of about a liter, this size, the CPU, cleaning cartridge, comes together in the machine, one sachet of citric acid powder. So the first step to do the cleaning is to off the power. After that, remove the cover, take the filter out. Okay, make sure the O-ring stick to the filter. Don't leave the O-ring inside the filter base. So after that, pour a sachet of citric acid powder into the cleaning cartridge. Okay, keep it tight. Okay, make sure the O-ring is here. If there's no O-ring, they'll be leaking. Okay, after that, cover this, press a bit, and after that, lock it. Okay, make sure when you lock it, it has to be flat. The ring has to be flat. It shouldn't be slanted. Slanted, you will not be locked tight. Alright. So after that, take this water outlet, put it down, and the second 3 hose, take it out and put it in here. Then after that, you switch on the water. Okay, let the water flow through, melt the citric acid powder until about half of this. Alright. Just a moment. Once it's done, remember to switch off the tap. Okay, don't let it run. And we just leave this solution soak in the ionizing chamber for at least 3 to 5 hours. If you want to do it overnight, also can. Alright. Then after that, after everything is done, let's say after 3 hours or 5 hours, then we will do another process to do the cleaning. Okay? Okay, now after 5 hours, everything is done already. So what we do is that you lift this up, put it back into the place, lift this up. So we're going to flush the machine with water. Alright. So remember, when we're doing the flushing, doing the e-cleaning, the power must always be off. Alright, so what we do, we just flush for about 10 minutes. Alright, let the water flow to clean the thing properly. Okay, so clean the thing properly. Alright. Okay, now after 10 minutes, what we do, we just remove the CPU and replace back the filter. Okay, you just flush, just switch on the water, let it run for 1 minute, that's it. Okay, that is what we do every month.